Want to know the top techniques for starting seeds indoors successfully? We're about to delve into 7 tried and true methods that will elevate your indoor gardening game. From seed selection to tender care, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to learn these top techniques that will boost your indoor gardening. Firstly, choosing the right seeds is crucial. It's not just about grabbing a packet off the shelf. You need high-quality seeds from a reputable source. Consider the plant species and its specific needs. Remember, the healthier the seed, the healthier the plant. Next, a good start requires good soil. The secret is a mix of compost, coir, and perlite, creating a fluffy, nutrient-rich environment. Moisture is key too. Aim for damp, not soaking. Remember, a well-prepared soil is the foundation of a thriving plant. Now, let's get down to planting those seeds. It's crucial to plant at the correct depth, usually twice the seed's diameter. Spacing is also key. Give each seed room to grow. Proper planting ensures your seeds have the best chance to grow. After planting, light comes into play. Illumination is pivotal for the germination process, sparking life into our little seedlings. To ensure they get enough, place them near a south-facing window or under a grow light. Just like us, seeds need their sunlight too. Temperature is another key factor for your seeds. Most seeds germinate best within a cozy range of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. To maintain this, consider using a heat mat or placing your pots in a warm location. Keep your seeds warm, and they'll thank you by sprouting. Watering your seeds is more than just a daily chore. It's a delicate balance, a dance of nourishment. The key is to keep the soil moist, not drenched. Water gently, avoid flooding. Frequency depends on the soil's dryness. Remember, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Last but not least, patience and care are essential. Like all good things in life, seeds take time to sprout. Show them love, tend to their needs consistently, even after they've germinated. With patience and care, you can watch your seeds turn into beautiful plants. So there you have it, the top 7 techniques for starting seeds indoors successfully. Each technique, from choosing the right seeds to providing patience and care, plays a crucial role in ensuring your indoor garden flourishes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!